Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this XIAOMI. You need to access Play Store and click on the search bar to install your default apps. I will go with Opera mini browser. When all your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access the Apps section. Now click on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Finally, select Default Apps from the list and tap on one of those sections, in my case Browser. Lastly, just click on an app that you wish to apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!